Want to give your home a modern touch without the hassle? These amazing household items are designed to upgrade your space, boost comfort, and make everyday living effortless. From smart storage to cozy essentials, each one adds style and convenience you'll love. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Bring a little retro magic to your messages. This split-flap display makes every update feel like an event. Post quotes, reminders, or greetings, and watch the letters flip into place with satisfying precision. Control it from your phone or laptop, no matter where you are. It's stylish, durable, and turns any wall into a conversation piece. Ever wished you could hit pause at work? This nap pod makes it possible. It reclines you into a zero-gravity position, easing pressure and letting you truly unwind. A privacy visor blocks distractions, while calming music and a timer create the perfect power nap. When time's up, it wakes you gently with light, sound, and a soft vibration. Work breaks will never be the same again. Bring vinyl back in style. This sleek turntable lets you enjoy warm, rich sound with a modern twist. It connects wirelessly to your Sonos system or other speakers. No messy cables. A precision magnetic cartridge and carbon tone arm make every track sound crystal clear. Switch between speeds with ease and stream in high resolution. Classic feel, cutting-edge tech, all in one. Need a quiet space in the middle of chaos? This privacy pod gives you exactly that. Step inside and you've got your own little sanctuary for calls, focus work, or just catching your breath. It comes with a built-in desk, comfy seating, soft lighting, and airflow so it never feels stuffy. Soundproofing keeps your conversations private. No assembly headaches, just plug it in and escape the noise. Can't sleep because it's too hot or too quiet? This smart fan does both, keeps the air cool, and fills the room with soothing white noise. Adjust the airflow and sound separately to get your perfect sleep vibe. It runs whisper quiet, has 10 speed settings, and even auto-adjusts when the room heats up. Control everything from your phone without leaving bed. Sleep just got an upgrade. Who's at the door? This smart doorbell shows you in crystal clear 2K detail. It connects with all major smart home systems and even acts as a hub for your other devices. Advanced radar detects people, not pets or shadows, so you only get real alerts. Talk to visitors with two-way audio or customize chimes and responses right from your phone. Smart security just got a serious upgrade. Breathe easier every day. This compact air purifier quietly removes dust, pet dander, smoke, and allergens from your space. Its HEPA-level filter captures even the tiniest particles while reducing odors. Real-time sensors show your air quality improving right on the screen. And with long-lasting filtration, you won't be changing filters every few months. Clean air, low hassle, and peace of mind, all in one sleek design. Meet the speaker that turns any space into a concert. With dual woofers and passive radiators, you get bass so deep you can feel it. 40 watts of powerful hi-fi sound wrapped in sleek metallic design. Waterproof, durable, and ready for anything. Beach, pool, or party. 20 hours of playtime means the music never stops. And with TWS pairing, you can double the power for 360 degrees immersive sound. This isn't just a speaker, it's an experience! Who says cleaning windows has to be a weekend chore? This smart robot takes the job off your hands, polishing glass with a dual mop system that mimics real hand wiping. Ultrasonic sprayers turn water into a fine mist that melts away dirt and leaves a streak-free shine. Sensors keep it safe on framed or frameless windows, while app or remote controls put you in charge. Just set it up and watch your windows sparkle without the effort. Not all pens are created equal, and this one proves it. The futuristic design lets it hover at an angle, almost like it's defying gravity right on your desk. Give it a spin, and it becomes a mesmerizing fidget tool that helps you focus. When it's time to write, the precision ballpoint glides smoothly across the page. Sleek, durable, and eye-catching, it's a pen and conversation starter in one. Imagine shaping light like clay. This flexible RGB tube bends any way you want, wrapping around furniture, shelves, or walls to create the perfect vibe. With 16 million colors at your fingertips, you can set the mood for movie nights, parties, or just winding down. Control it all from your phone, dim, switch colors, or sync with your favorite moments. It's simple, smart, and makes your space glow with personality. Cold mornings don't stand a chance. This smart infrared heater warms up your room quickly without drying the air or burning oxygen, making it healthier for you and your pets. You can mount it on the wall or use it freestanding, and it blends right into your space with its slim, modern design. Control it from your phone, set timers, and even track energy use. Warm, efficient, and stylish, just the way heating should be. Bring the road indoors and ride like a pro. This training bike tilts from steep climbs to downhill descents, giving you the feel of real terrain without leaving your home. A massive touchscreen keeps you engaged with workouts, coaching, and even off-bike training. Handlebar shifters and real-time power output make every ride feel like the real thing. Say goodbye to blurry calls and awkward camera angles. This 4K webcam keeps you crystal clear and even tracks your movement so you're always in frame. A wide 120-degree view means everyone in the room gets seen without crowding around the screen. Built-in AI mics cut out background noise, making your voice stand out sharp and professional. Just plug it in, and your video calls instantly feel more like face-to-face meetings. Who knew so much tech could fit on your finger? This smart ring tracks your sleep, heart rate, stress, and even body temperature 24/7. It's waterproof, scratch-resistant, and lasts up to 6 days on a single charge, with a case that keeps it powered for weeks. You can set reminders, control music, and even trigger an SOS call in emergencies. Tiny but powerful. It's like a personal health coach you never take off. Brew like a pro right at home. This electric Gooseneck Kettle combines minimalist design with serious precision. The sleek spout gives you total control for the perfect pour-over, while the 1200-watt heater brings water up to your exact temperature in no time. A digital screen shows real-time heat and even includes a brew timer. With its stainless steel body, ergonomic wooden handle, and 60-minute keep warm feature, it's as stylish as it is functional. Wake up smarter with a bedside upgrade that does more than just buzz. This dual alarm clock doubles as a wireless charger. Just place your phone on top, and it powers up while you rest. There's even a USB port for extra devices, plus Bluetooth for playing your favorite tunes. It automatically sets the correct time after power outages, making it one of the most convenient clocks you'll ever own. Fresh, pure water on demand, exactly how you like it. This countertop reverse osmosis system gives you instant hot or cold water at the touch of a button. With 6 temperature settings, you can go from a steaming cup of tea to ice-cold refreshment in seconds. The 5-stage filtration system removes impurities so every sip tastes clean and crisp. Portable, bottleless, and smart, it's hydration made effortless. Summer fun just got an upgrade. This inflatable lounge pool is built from extra thick PVC that resists heat, sun, and punctures, so it's ready for endless splash sessions. With a built-in backrest and bench, you can kick back in comfort while the kids swim and play. Its roomy size easily fits 2 adults and 3 kids, making it perfect for family afternoons in the backyard. And when the fun's over, dual drain holes make emptying fast and hassle-free. Step into your own private cinema anytime, anywhere. These AR glasses project a massive 215-inch virtual screen right in front of your eyes, powered by ultra-sharp micro OLED displays. With a wide 50-degree field of view and smooth 120 Hz visuals, movies and games feel larger than life. Brightness adjusts up to 600 nits for vivid clarity indoors or out. Lightweight and powered by USB-C, you just plug in and escape into pure immersion. Why settle for an ordinary coffee table when yours can glow with personality? This modern centerpiece comes with built-in LED lighting that shifts through 16 different colors, letting you set the perfect mood for movie nights, parties, or just relaxing. A spacious drawer and open shelving keep clutter out of sight while everything stays within reach. Sleek, glossy, and easy to clean, it's as practical as it is eye-catching.